Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the future and exploring 20 emerging technologies that are set to change the world as we know it. These innovations are not just concepts. They are actively being developed and could soon be a part of our everyday lives. Let's get started. 1. Artificial Intelligence (AI). First on our list is artificial intelligence. From healthcare to finance, AI is revolutionizing industries by automating tasks, analyzing data, and even making decisions. Imagine a world where AI doctors provide accurate diagnosis and AI lawyers offer legal advice. 2. Quantum computing. Quantum computing promises to solve complex problems that are currently impossible for classical computers. This could lead to breakthroughs in cryptography, drug discovery, and material science. 3. Blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is more than just cryptocurrencies. It's creating secure, transparent systems for everything from supply chain management to voting systems. 4. 5G networks. 5G networks are set to revolutionize communication with faster speeds, lower latency, and the ability to connect more devices. This will pave the way for smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and enhanced virtual experiences. 5. Internet of Things. The Internet of Things is connecting everyday devices to the Internet, allowing them to communicate and collaborate, from smart homes to smart cities. IoT is making our lives more efficient and convenient. 6. Augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (AR and VR) are transforming the way we interact with digital content. These technologies are being used in gaming, education, training, and even remote work. 7. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are set to change transportation by making it safer and more efficient. Self-driving cars, trucks, and drones will reduce accidents, lower emissions, and revolutionize logistics. 8. Renewable energy. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power are becoming more efficient and affordable. They are crucial for combating climate change and ensuring a sustainable future. 9. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is advancing rapidly, leading to innovations in medicine, agriculture, and environmental protection. Genetic engineering, biofabrication, and synthetic biology are opening new frontiers. 10. Advanced robotics. Advanced robotics are enhancing productivity and precision in various sectors. From manufacturing to healthcare, robots are taking on tasks that are dangerous, repetitive, or require extreme precision. 11. Space exploration. Space exploration is entering a new era with missions to Mars, asteroid mining, and even plans for human settlements on other planets. Private companies like SpaceX are making space travel more accessible. 12. Smart materials. Smart materials can change their properties in response to external stimuli. These materials are being used in everything from self-healing coatings to flexible electronics. 13. 3D printing. 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing by allowing for the creation of complex and customized objects on demand. It's being used in healthcare, aerospace, and even food production. 14. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is enabling the manipulation of materials at the atomic and molecular levels. This is leading to advancements in medicine, electronics, and energy storage. 15. Biotechnology and gene editing. Gene editing technologies like CRISPR are making it possible to modify the DNA of living organisms. This has the potential to cure genetic diseases, improve crops, and even extend human lifespan. 16. Wearable technology. Wearable technology is becoming more sophisticated, with devices that can monitor health metrics, enhance communication, and even provide augmented reality experiences. 17. Artificial organs. Artificial organs and bioengineered tissues are being developed to address the shortage of donor organs. This could save countless lives and improve the quality of life for many. 18. Cybersecurity. As we become more connected, cybersecurity is becoming increasingly important. Advanced encryption, AI-driven threat detection, and quantum cryptography are being developed to protect our data. 19. Smart cities. Smart cities integrate either technology into infrastructure to improve the quality of life for residents. This includes smart grids, intelligent transportation systems, and efficient waste management. 20. Personalized medicine tailors healthcare to individual genetic profiles. This approach can lead to more effective treatment with fewer side effects, revolutionizing the way we approach health and wellness. These 20 emerging technologies are just the start. The future holds endless possibilities, and we can't wait to see their impact. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.